Welcome to our English channel, where we make learning fun and exciting. In this video, we are going to learn countries and nationalities.
Hi kids, welcome to summer camp. I'm sure we are going to have a great camp this summer. Now, please come forward and tell your names, your countries and your nationalities.
Hi, my name is Maria. I come from Mexico City. I'm Mexican.
Hi, my name is Hakan. I come from Turkey. I'm Turkish.
Hi, my name is Ahoto. I come from Japan. I'm Japanese. Hi, my name is Alejandra. I come from Spain. I'm Spanish. Hi, my name is Matteo. I come from Italy. I'm Italian. Hi, my name is Emma. I come from Germany. I'm German. Hi, my name is Ivan. I come from Russia. I'm Russian.
Nice to meet you all. I'm Eric. I am your camp counselor and I'm from France. I'm French.
Nice to meet you too, Mr. Eric. I'm very sorry for being late.
Hello there. It's okay, but please be more careful next time. Being punctual is important. Now, can you tell us your name please?
My name is Aisha.
Hello Aisha. My name is Eric. Where are you from?
I'm from England, but my family is originally from India. I'm Indian.
You are Indian. Nice to meet you, Aisha. I'm Eric. I'm from France. I'm French.
It's nice to meet you too, Mr. Eric.